Why does a rolling sphere slow down and stop eventually in practice? In practice, there is some deformation at the surface. So it won't be a perfect sphere. It would be somewhat like well, that is somewhat of an exaggeration. There is deformation there. And now the situation is somewhat different from what we have been discussing in pure rolling. Some ball is rolling and it slows down and stops in practice. That's what we are discussing. Deformation is there are stresses and there is friction. You can call it rolling friction if you like. Now it must be there, because if it is not there, how can center of mass slow down? It must go with the same speed then. It has to be there. But then, not only does VCM reduce, omega also becomes zero eventually. It reduces and then it becomes zero eventually. So both have to fall, VCM also and omega also. Who reduces VCM? This force reduces VCM. Somebody has to reduce omega also. Now that makes us think that if we take mg as this and normal reaction as this acting from here, and if friction is like this, and in fact friction is increasing omega. Look at that. I'm assuming the ball is going to the right side, turning clockwise. In fact, this friction must increase this omega. But in practice, you observe that omega does not increase for sure. A ball which you roll on the ground has eventually omega equal to 0. So there is something else, and that something else is that normal reaction does not act from here, but because of deformation and because of the fact that when a ball rolls, it presses from the front side little harder, front side. So normal reaction does not pass through this, but it passes somewhat from the front side. Now you can understand why omega falls. This normal reaction about this point has torque which tries to turn it anti-clockwise. This friction is trying to turn it clockwise. But this proves to be having a greater effect, this torque due to normal reaction. So omega slows down and eventually becomes 0. VCM becomes lesser and lesser and eventually becomes 0 because of this friction. So that's a more practical type of situation, and that's the reason why a rolling ball stops eventually. I just wanted to cover this theory, and now I will be taking more miscellaneous types of problems. Any questions about this? Let me know. a force F acts tangentially at the highest point of a sphere of mass m kept on a rough horizontal plane. If the sphere rolls without slipping means pure rolling. Find the acceleration of the center of the sphere. Now this is not a very easy situation to figure out the direction of frictional force. One can argue this way, that because of this force accelerates center of mass, and it can cause rubbing also. So friction should act in this direction. And other way of thinking could be that this friction is providing torque, rotation should take place, and if this particle has a tendency to go to the left side, then friction should act on the right side. A very interesting situation. One way of thinking could be that this point, due to this force, can go forward, so friction should act on the left. Other thinking could be that due to the torque to this force, there should be a tendency to turn clockwise, and if this point wants to go to the left, friction should act on the right side. So what to do, left or right? The answer lies here. This has to be the case. VCM equal to R omega for pure rolling. So if rotation dominates, then VCM should increase. Friction will try to help in such a way that if rotation dominates, then VCM should increase. And if VCM dominates, this should increase. So how do we know that the part on the left is dominating or the part on the right is dominating in this situation? Maybe instead of thinking so much, you can just take some direction and just try to proceed. If that happens to be wrong, then something strange should come out. So how about trying this problem in two different ways? One way is that you take friction on the left side, and other way is that you take friction on the right side. Two cases. Let's analyze both of them. Left